Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use Greenscreen in Premiere Pro. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to want to grab our clip here and move that into our workspace. Just like so, just drag it in there. See our little test footage there. Just set it back to the beginning. Now first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to editing, which we're already in. Make sure you have your clip selected. Now you're going to go down to opacity and pick the 4-point poly mask. You can use the free draw if you have a bit of a different strange sized scene, but we can just use the 4-point for now. You're going to drag this so it covers only stuff you want to show. So for our case, that would be the green screen and a little bit of my friend poking out there. Like so. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to click the stopwatch. It says toggle animation. And then skip forward a little bit in the clip. Not too much. And then you can just drag into a new space. Alright, so now that we've finished with our setting our masks keyframes, just gonna play it through one time, and you'll notice looks like we messed up there. That's because it's not buffered properly. So as soon as it's finished with the last one, it starts moving to where we need it there. But as you can tell, we probably don't want that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here and delete the keyframes that led to that and redo it in a different way. So you'll see about here when I would start moving the keyframe, so I'm just going to move it a little bit. So it'll take all that time going to just a fraction of a few pixels, and so it won't move anywhere we don't want it to early. There's probably other methods of doing this, but I find that to be one of the more efficient ways to do it and simple. And then we're just gonna keep going through and re-add those keynotes in. You don't have to delete the keynotes before that, but I feel like it just makes a bit more sense to do that, and it makes it a bit easier to suss out where the problem is. And there we go. So now our clip has just dandy green screening. Got a bit close there, but that's alright. Alright, and now we've got all that done. So now you're probably wanting to know how to remove that ugly green background. So we're going to hop over to Effects, then Video Effects, scroll down to Keying, and grab ourselves an Ultra Key, and just drag that onto our clip. Then jump back over to the Editing tab, scroll down to Ultra Key. We've got our little eyedropper here. We just click on the background there. But you might notice now we've got these ugly lighting effects in the background. Now, if we want to get rid of those, you just go over to Matte Cleanup and turn up your contrast and midpoint, mainly your contrast. And there you go. Nice little black void in the background. Now, that's all we're going to be doing today. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.